to our lipstick. So today I am going to be doing my Boxycharm Try On unboxing. So I really hope you guys are excited for this video. If you're gonna leave a mean or rude comment, go ahead and hit that unsubscribe and move it along. Otherwise, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I am so excited about this box this month. There were some really good things in here and I dropped one on the floor. Let me go grab it. Okay, so the first thing that was in this month's box, I'm so excited about because I've talked about this in a favorites before. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I use this constantly. I love this. The regular size is a little bit pricey. You can get it on Amazon for cheaper than you get it at Sephora. I believe it's about, what is it? For a set of two, it's 40 something, and individually I think they're like, the body wash is 25 and the cream itself is more expensive than that. But I will link the link to the Amazon seller that I always get the combo from. So I get a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. You can either get a 2-pack or you can get it with the body wash, and it's way cheaper than you get on Sephora or anywhere else. So this was so nice to have in here. I'm sure this is expensive. Let's check out the pricing. Oh, $10. So Bum Bum Cream mini size is $10. And yeah, so this was really awesome to have in here. I love this. If you have not smelled this before, you are in for a treat. It smells like vanilla, icing, cake batter, that type of thing. Really, really delicious scent. So I'm so happy to have this in here. I'm not going to try it out because obviously I use it all the time. So let's move on. First of all, I want to point out this is a product that I am not going to be trying in here. These are the Baddington lashes, and I just don't know how I feel about silk lashes, to be quite honest. So I am not going to try these. I'm probably going to end up getting rid of these, giving them to someone or selling them. Just until I have more time to look into the product. Let's see what the card says. 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handsome with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care. Yeah, I just don't know how I feel about silk lashes. I'm trying to really look in more to cruelty-free type of stuff, so I'm not sure that this fits within cruelty-free range. Please inform me. I am not well informed on this topic as far as silk is concerned. If you have any information, definitely leave it down in the comment section and educate me, because I would love that. So go ahead and do that, but I'm not going to try these in this video. So that leaves 3 products that I am actually going to try, and that's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, actually 4 products because there's brushes. We actually got 6 products in this month's box, which is not normal. You usually get 5. There were 6. So you got Bum Bum Cream lashes. There's an Ofra liquid lipstick in here, a eyeshadow palette, an eyeliner, and some brushes. So this is a good box. So I saved my face makeup to do with these brushes that are in here because these look like more big face brushes. So I'm going to use these to apply my blush, bronzer, and highlight. First of all, I can see that this brush here, these are from Luxie, and they are $42 for this kit of 3, which is really nice. I can see that this already would be a great under eye setting brush for me. This one here I think would be wonderful for highlight, and then this is like a duo fiber brush, which I tend to use for more blingy highlights, but I think I'll use it for bronzer today. So let's get into it. I love Luxie brushes, to be quite honest. I don't even need to try these to know that I like them. We've gotten so many Luxie brushes from Boxycharm that I already know that I love them. So let's just try on some face stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop into my ABH kit here and apply some contour slash bronzer. Just going to mix these 2 colors together and apply with the duo fiber brush. I like to do this with the duo fiber brush a lot of the time because it deposits less color to your face, and when you're as pale as I am, the last thing you want is a bronzer that looks too orange or too like you have distinctive bronzer on your face. And a dual fiber brush allows you to put a nice light layer on your face so it looks so much more natural. I will say it is applying a little bit patchy just on my forehead, but I don't know if that's the products or the brush. It could very well just be my face makeup because I didn't set like overly well today with foundation powder. But I did set my cheeks and those are going on really nicely. So I think it's just my foundation. Let's actually apply some blush with this brush here. I normally would just use this for setting my under eyes, but we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna grab one of my favorite blushes, which is a CoverGirl Cheekers blush in the shade Pretty Peach. And we'll pop this on my cheeks. Should probably use a mirror. Oh, this blush is so pretty. It's a really gorgeous peach with a little sheen in it. So it makes your face look super healthy. I love that. Look at that. Next up, let's pop on a little highlight. For that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlight in the pink one, Blossom Glow, with the very last brush here. Ooh, that deposits a lot of pigment. I'm going to be glowy today. Holy crap. That's a little borderline greasy looking for me. Alright, let's move on to the eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited about. This is from the brand Alamar. Never heard of it, but these colors look so gorgeous for summertime. I'm so excited about some of these oranges. I don't dabble too much in orange just because I'm not warm in undertone. I'm very cool undertoned, so sometimes warm shades look weird on me. But I'm gonna play with some of these and see what happens. So I'm just gonna do a real quick eye look, probably speed up the video a little bit, and tell you my thoughts afterwards. Okay guys, so here's my completed eye look, and I am completely blown away by these eyeshadows. They are so good. This gold is so metallic, foil looking, it's gorgeous. So I used in my crease the light orange color, and then I deepened up the outer edge and a little bit in the crease with the dark orange. Then I went on outer corner with some brown and a little bit on the lower lash line. Totally lower lash line with the green and blended it out with the light orange. And then on the lid, used this beautiful gold color. It's probably the best color that's in here. And then on inner corners with the pinky shade. So I used everything except for the blue, actually. And the red. I could probably add some red, but we'll leave it. So yeah, I used everything but two colors. The mattes are so easily blendable. There was absolutely no fallout whatsoever, even with the shimmer shades. I'm really impressed by this, and I actually think it would be a really good palette for beginners as well because it blended like a dream. It was so easy to blend out. Nothing looked muddy, and it was very quick. So I love this palette. I definitely will be using this so many times in the future. Alright, so now we actually have a eyeliner. This is in the shade Charcoal 912 from Jante Bleu. Jante Bleu? I don't know. Jante Bleu? I'm not French. I took French, but I have no idea what this is. Anyways, I'm just going to go in the lower waterline with this pencil and see how it does. I do already have mascara on. Not impressed. Maybe you gotta warm it up. Okay, so I'm not very impressed with this pencil. It's not doing really anything in my waterline. And it's very stiff, and it's dragging on my skin a little bit. I don't like this. That's a no for me with the eyeliner pencil. Last but not least, let's move on to the Ofra liquid lipstick. I know that I love this because I've tried the Ofra formula before. This is the shade Verona. I have the Kathleen Lights 2 shades Miami Fever and Havana Nights. I have those two. I also have a purple one, and I love the formula of these. So that's a really pretty color. It's definitely not like an everyday kind of color for me because I am so pale. It looks darker than it probably looks on a lot of different skin tones. But yeah, I do like it for an occasional, like I will wear this every once in a while, but it's just not my everyday go-to. I do like it. I know the formula is great, so, but I do like the formula, so that's a winner, and I love the smell. It smells like vanilla. So yeah, that was my Boxycharm for the month of June. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.